Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now that we've cleaned the job titles table in the previous lesson, remember we used the remove top rows option to delete that fake header row. But now we have a different kind of problem. Let's switch to the departments table. Take a look at your data. You'll notice something missing. Some rows are completely empty. No ID department, no name, no site, nothing. Just null everything. And remember what we saw earlier? Column quality showed 79% valid and 21% empty. This is exactly why. These blank rows might look harmless, but they can break relationships between tables, create wrong calculations, and mess up your visuals later. So we need to remove them. Here is the easiest way. Click anywhere inside your table. Now go to the top menu, Home, Remove Rows, Remove Blank Rows. Click it, and just like that, all fully empty rows are gone. Power BI automatically scanned your table and remove any row where all columns were null. No manual filtering, no formulas, just one click. Now look again at your table. No empty rows, everything looks cleaner. If you check column quality again, you should see improvement and fewer empty values. We'll fix them in the next lessons. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.